Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday we have discussed the 10 MCQs from this file. So today we will start from the MCQ number 11. MCQ number 11 says as doping in a semiconductor increases which quantity? Semiconductor is a material that lies between the conductor and insulator, means that its conductivity is greater than insulator but less than conductor. So if doping is done, then its conductance increases. MCQ number 13 says, in a rectifier circuit, the diode converts. In a rectifier, diode are used for converting AC to DC. They are unidirectional, only current flows when they are forward bias. So, diode converts alternating voltage to DC voltage, and it also converts alternating voltage to direct current, AC to DC. Next 14 MCQ says an operation amplifier comparator circuit implies op-amp comparator circuit has no feedback, just a reference is provided and another input is provided to its other terminal, and there is no feedback. It just generates an error. Darlington connection is achieved in two transistors by connecting. Darlington is used for higher amplification, more amplification purpose. As two transistors are used, so more current increase or whatever purpose is required, and they are connected by, in Darlington both collectors are connected. The emitter of the first transistor is connected to the base of the other, and collector of both are common. In common base amplifier, output voltage is taken across. Okay. So common base implies that input is applied at emitter and output voltage is taken across collector, option number C. In a power supply diagram, which blocks indicate smooth DC output? Smooth DC output is provided by regulator. As rectifier is provide pulsating DC, and filter just filter the ripples. As capacitor and inductor mostly are used, mostly capacitor is used in power supply diagram, no inductor. So it charge and discharge, and it somehow makes the output DC, but still regulator is used for making it smooth and pure. Which MCQ number 18 says, which of the following conditions are needed to properly bias an NPN transistor? So for an NPN transistor, its proper conditions are emitter base is always forward bias and collector base is reverse bias, option number A. Since diodes are destroyed by excessive current, wherever excessive current problem is, that is addressed by current limiting resistor, option number B. A diode for which you can change the reverse bias and thus vary the capacitance. If capacitance is varied in a diode, then that diode is a vector diode. Varicap, also called as varicap, and it is present in modulation circuit. MCQs number 21. Rectifier output polarity depends upon the diode installation. Like if you want a positive power supply or you want a negative power supply. If you want a negative power supply, then just change the direction of all the diodes, all the 4 diodes in a bridge, and then the polarity will be negative. MCQs 22. Providing a constant output regardless of AC input or load resistance change is the function of the regulator. The regulator regulates the output to a constant level. With a PNP, this is PNP circuit. The most positive voltage is probably, when the circuit is of a PNP transistor, then the most positive voltage is ground. The input-output relation of a common emitter amplifier, in a common emitter amplifier, it is an inverting amplifier, so input-output relation is 180 degree. The arrow direction in diode symbol indicates the direction of pole flow. Not electron flow, it is a conventional current. What is the input impedance of a common gate configured JFET? The input impedance of a common gate configured JFET is, so where we were at input impedance of a common gate configured JFET. So its input impedance of common gate means that it's just like similar to common base in case of BJT. So the input impedance is very low. Ideal operational amplifier has zero input impedance. Infinite input impedance. Input impedance is very high, and output impedance is zero. We are talking about ideal case, so practically it is very less, and infinite voltage gain. So its answer is all of these. So these are the first 28 MCQs. Now I will show you the Darlington circuit which has come in our MCQs. So you can see from here that the emitter of the first emitter is that terminal which has an arrow. Emitter of the first is connected to the base of the second, and both the collectors are common. So this is the Darlington, and first current IB1 and IB2 both add and multiply according to the formulas, and then our overall gain increases. So this was about the Darlington circuit. And in the op-amp as comparator, you can see that one thing reference has been provided and one thing that input is coming. So there is no feedback in case of op-amp comparator circuit, just a reference is provided. And there was an MCQs in our discussion that PNP transistor, the ground terminal is most positive. So here you can see that this is PNP. PNP means arrow is present over here, PNP. And what is the normal configuration for a transistor? Base emitter is forward bias. So if it is PNP, then this means that this terminal must be positive, and that is the common terminal, that is the ground terminal. So and PNP and P and P. So collector must be reverse bias. That's why here if P terminal and this is negative, then it becomes reverse bias. So you can see that here the emitter is positive. But in the case of NPN transistor, mean here we have arrow is present just like this. There arrow is, as you can see, from the direction of the front. So here the collector is positive. So this was a very small discussion of the first 28 MCQs. We have more MCQs and we will discuss it tomorrow, inshallah.